How to activate Capital One credit card online. First thing first, you have to go ahead and open up any web browser you have. And then on the search bar, you are going to have to search for Activate um, Capital One credit card. Hit enter. Once you have done that, open up the first link that you see here. And here you can see activate your credit card option. Open up this link. Now, once you have done that, here you're going to have to sign in to activate your credit card. So you'll need your card and your PIN to continue, and new card holders, if you haven't set up your PIN already, it will arrive in the mail separately from your card. Click on the sign in option. Now you'll be taken to the sign in portal. All you have to do here is enter your Capital One username and then enter your password. After you've done that, click on sign in option. And if you want to make sure if your password is correct, you can click on this eye icon to show your password. And if you want the browser to remember your login info, check this box right here. In case if you've forgotten username or password, you can click here to recover it. Once you have logged in successfully, you will have an option to enter your credit card details. Just enter your card number and your CVV code, and your credit card will be activated. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.